got ended.
This
Extremely
conference will
sorry
now be
about it.
recorded.
Hope you people are able to see the screen. Please open file which I have shared. Please download the file. So let's start. So yesterday we had done with the introduction and Excel screen interface. So is there any doubt? Please have a look at the screen and let me know if there is any doubt with the screen interface. Any of the component on the Excel screen. If you are having any doubts, you can let me know. Hope everything is clear on the screen interface.
Yes, ma'am.
So, so the first sheet, I wanted you people to open with series. So here I fill with some auto values. Okay. So auto filling the series I filled. Want a number range. Okay. So usually when we are filling the number, say I fill the numbers from 1 to 1000 or 1 to continuity numbers I wanted. So how am I going to do it? Okay. So let me type in 1. I'll type in 2 and then I'll select both the cells together and I can apply the fill handle. So like this, I cannot keep on dragging till 5000, right? So till here the number is filled, but I cannot keep on dragging like. So how would I fill the auto numbers? Okay, continuity numbers. So type in 1 and I'll press enter. Why? Because now you can see a blinking line on the cell. So that is the cell is on the edit mode. You can see most of my tools have gone deactivated. So I'll press enter. I'll go back to the first cell and then from the home tab, I will come to the editing group where I have the fill option. I need to go to the home editing group and here I have the fill option. I'll click on this drop down, go to series, and here how you wanted the values to be filled, whether you wanted it on the rows or on the columns. I wanted it on the column, and stop value is till 5000, and I will click on OK. So in order to check, I'll press Control Shift and down arrow. See, I have got the number range from 1 to 5000. Control Shift and up, come back to the first cell. Okay, so this is how I'm going to auto fill the numbers. So clear about this? Got it? Want me to show it again?
Yes, ma'am.
I wanted to auto fill the numbers. Okay, so starting from 1, I'll press enter. I'll go back to the first cell, and here I'll go to the home tab, and under the editing group, I'll go to the fill option. I will click on the drop down, and here I have series. I will go to series, and here the series option will get opened. How you wanted to fill the numbers. So whether you wanted it on the rows or on the column. I wanted it on the columns, and stop value I wanted till 5000, and I'll just click on OK. To check, Control Shift and down arrow, I come here. Again, I wanted to come back to the first cell, Control Shift and up arrow, I come back to the first cell. Clear? I wanted you people to try. So once it is done, please let me know that you are done. We will go to the next one.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. So next one is linear. Okay, linear and growth. So what is linear and growth? So say here I give some value. Okay, so 3. And here I wanted this linear. So linear, the value has to be added with 2, and here it has to autofill with the subsequent values. So I'll go to fill, I'll go to series. I wanted the values to be filled on the column. It is linear. So linear means what? The step value is added to the first starting value and then added to the each subsequent values. So let me say here I wanted to put step value as 2, and here I wanted this numbers to be filled till 80. I can give any number stop value. Okay, so 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 2 11, 11 plus 2 13. So like this it has to complete till 80. I'll click on OK. So now you can see till 80. 79 plus 2, it will go above 80. So it has stopped till 79. Okay. So this is linear. So linear, what it will do? It will add the value, the step value to the first starting value and to the each subsequent value which is appearing. What growth will do? So growth is going to multiply the step value. So I enter 2 over here. I'll go to fill series. I wanted the values to be filled on the column, and let me say 3 over here. Okay, and I wanted the value to be filled till 100. So here what it will happen, 3 twos are 6, 6 twos are 12, like that it will go on. Okay, sorry. So let me put 3 series. columns, I wanted growth. Linear means will add the step value, growth means will multiply the step value. Okay, so I'll tell 2 and I wanted the value to be filled till 100. Okay, so 3 twos are 6, 6 twos are 12, 12 twos are 24, 24 twos are 48. Like that, it will go on and it will fill. So I told 900. So 96 twos are, it will exceed more than 100. That's why it has stopped till there. Okay, so like this, linear will add the step value, growth will multiply the step value. Okay, I wanted you people to try with this too. So you have to go to this option from the home tab. So I got it from this. Done, guys.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. So next, say I wanted to autofill the date. Okay. So the shortcut key to enter the date is control colon. So control colon, I'll get current date. Okay. Current date is done. So now say from this particular range, I wanted to fill with the date. Okay, so whatever the range I have selected, I will go to the fill option, go to series, and automatically here I have selected the range. So Excel is telling you have selected the column, wanted to fill the date, and how you wanted the date you need to be filled. Whether you wanted the date, you wanted the weekdays, you wanted the month, you wanted the year. So let me say I wanted the continuity of the date. I'll click on OK. See, within seconds, my date is filled. So it is continuity. You can see 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Like that it goes on. Now if I wanted only the weekdays, so I'll go to fill series and I'll select weekday and click on OK. So now 23, 24, 20, 22nd, 23rd, 24. 25, 26 is Saturday, Sunday, it's weekend, so it has removed. Again from Monday, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Again first and second are Saturday, Sunday. Again 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. Only weekdays will get continued. Now if I want to continue with only the month, so the date and the year should remain same. Only the month should be filled. I'll click here. So now you can see the date remains same. So continue the December and again continuity is there, gets filled. Now if I wanted to fill with the year, I'll select the year and click on OK. So month and date will remain same. Only the year will get filled. So like this, I can autofill the dates also. So whatever the date I wanted, I can autofill. So now let me say I wanted the weekdays only. I'll select, click on OK. So I'll get my weekdays. So try with this. So control colon is the shortcut key to enter the current date. So once it is done, please let me know.
Done, ma'am.
Only one
Could you please
person is
repeat,
telling.
ma'am?
Ma'am, I didn't
Sorry,
get the dates.
you did not get the date.
No, I didn't get it.
So see, I will show you once again. In the first cell, press Control colon.
Uh-huh.
I get the current date. Okay. So now
Yeah.
you can see the blinking line over here. So that time I cannot enter. I should press enter, go back to the first cell, click and select the range
Oh, we'll
where
have
you
to set.
wanted to fill. Select
Okay,
the range. I need to select the range. Go to the home tab. Under editing group, I have fill option. I will go here, select series, and I have to select what I wanted over here. And then click on OK.
oh, okay. Yes, ma'am, I got it. Thank you.
Yeah. So as I click on OK, now it will apply. So in this, I wanted you people to try with day, weekday, month, year, all the four I wanted you people to try. I wanted you people to try with day, weekday, month, and year. Once it is done, please let me know. We'll continue further. If you are having any doubts, you can get it clarified.
Ma'am, month, can you explain about the date, ma'am?
About the date, say now when I select, I'll get the continuity day. Okay, I click, I get with the continuity 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, like that continuous date I'll get. Now if I wanted only the weekdays, I'll go to fill series and I'll select weekdays and click on OK. So now you can see 23, 24, 22nd, 23rd, 24th. So 25, 26 is not there as it is Saturday, Sunday. So when I tell weekdays means, so Excel will understand from Monday to Friday, give the date starting from Monday to Friday, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Again, first and second is weekend, it will not display like that. Okay. So now if I wanted to check it with month, it will get filled date and here it will be there. Then if I wanted only the year to be filled, so you can see the month and date remains same, only the year gets filled. So now as per your requirement, you are going to auto fill the values. So I am selecting weekday and click on OK. So it is giving me only the weekdays. Now I wanted to know which day it is. So whatever the selected range is there, I wanted to know which weekday it is. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, like that I wanted to know. So for which I'll be using text function. Okay. So functions, as I told, the predefined functions which are developed by the company itself. So text, so the value, select the cell. Okay, so the first date, comma, open the double quotes. I wanted to know which day it is. So I will mention 4 times D. So when I mention 4 times D, Excel will understand that it has to tell me the day. I will apply the fill handle and I get this. So I wanted you people to try with this weekdays also. Got it, guys? Understood? Any doubts?
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Say now I wanted one entire month date, continuous date I wanted. Okay. So I don't want to keep on typing in Excel. So how would I do it? What I'll do is, so first I will enter the date. Okay. Current date shortcut key I am going to use control colon. Say I wanted 1st of January to 31st of January. I wanted the date. So I'll put 1/1/2026. Okay. Now from this first cell only, I don't know how many number of cells I have to select. I don't know. Sorry. So what I will do is I will put the cursor. So starting from 1st January to 31st January, and Excel will follow as per your system date. Remember that. So fill option series. I wanted the date values to be filled on the column. I wanted, I wanted continuous date, and stop value. I will mention the end date. So it January 31st, 2026. As I told, it should be as per your system date. As per my system, I have first month, then date, then year. So I'm mentioning January 31st, 2026. Click on OK. So now you can see the continuous date. I will get it within seconds. So I wanted you people to try with this one also. If you are having any doubts, please You can ask.
Ma'am, I'm not getting it. Can you show it once again?
Sorry,
I'm not getting it. Can you
you're
show
not.
it once again?
Say first I wanted to enter date. Okay, so I'm using the shortcut key control colon. I get today's date and let me change it to 1st January. I wanted 1st January, 31st January date I wanted. So I'm just making the changes manually. Okay, 1st January 2026. I have to press go back to the first. I don't know till what range I have to select in order to fill to 31st date. So I'll keep the cursor only in first date. I'll go to fill option, go to series. I wanted the values to be filled on the column. I wanted date. I wanted continuous day. And here in the stop value, I'll mention the date. Okay, so Excel follows as per your system date. So don't whatever I have given. In my system, if you see, I have month first, then date, then year. In your system, how it is, like that you have to enter. Okay, so my system, it is first month. So I'll tell January, and then date I wanted till 31st, and I wanted the year 2026. I'll click on OK. Now you can see I'll get the continuous date till 31st.
Okay.
You have to enter the date here, stop value. You cannot enter whatever ma'am has entered. It is as per your system. You need to see and enter. In your system, if it is first date, you have to enter first date. If your system containing month beginning, so month you have to enter. As per my system, it is first month, then year. Got it, ma?
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
What about others? Tried? You got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's move to the next one, random numbers. Okay, so if I enter the random numbers, so here I will show for this. You people can try with the other one. So rand between, I wanted to randomly. So you can select and delete the values that are there. I wanted to fill the random value between 2 and 75. So I'm going to type in equals rand between. Rand between. So bottom value, it is 2, and the top value I wanted till 75. The bracket, enter. I will come here. I will apply the fill handle. This black color cross is there, no? So I showed you the different types of options. I am telling you about the fill handle. I will click without releasing the click. I'm going to drag it till down. Then again I'll hold it and drag it towards my right. So whatever the value I have given between 2 to 75, you can, if you change, the numbers will be between 2 and 75. So here I have used random number. Rand between. So once after this, you can try the same with 25 and 400, or if you wanted to change the number and try, you can try. Rand between. I wanted you people to try with the first and second example.
Ma'am, could you please repeat, ma'am?
Say between means random wanted to some numbers. Okay, so I'm going to delete this. So randomly they are telling they have mentioned some number 2 to 75. So let me say equals rand between equals between, open the
Ma'am, can
bracket.
I'm doing with 4 and 90. Is it fine, no, ma'am?
Yes, yes, any number you can take, ma. It's not that whatever I'm giving you should try the same. You can try with any number.
Okay.
So 2
Okay.
and 75. Enter. I come here and I will apply the fill handle. And move it towards right. So whatever the number I have entered, so it will appear between the mentioned number only. This is rand between. You can give any numbers, a choice. So try doing with end one. This one also you try.
Done, ma'am.
Both the examples you tried.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So let's move to square. So square root, when I wanted to know the square root. So here you can see I wanted to know the square root. I'll tell SQRT. Square root of 25 is 5. Try with this SQRT for square root. Square root of 121 is 11. So try with this.
Done, ma'am.
What about others? Anyone is still trying?
No, ma'am, we're done.
Okay. So let's go with the next one. That so I wanted to know the power. So there are how I can write the power. Okay. If I tell equals, so 5 to the power of 4. So 5, and here we have the power. So on the pad you have the numbers. So number 6 you can see there is an this shape. So that is power. Okay. So 5 to the power of 4. Enter, I get the answer. So now the either way, if I wanted function, I can tell power. So now is power means 5 to the power of 4. 5 comma 4. So these are two you can try. So try with the other numbers what it is given over there at the bottom. One is using the symbol and one more is using the power function. I wanted you people to try with this. Caret symbol and one is using the power function. Try both the ways using the caret sign and power function.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, what about others? If you did not understand, you want me to explain it, please tell. I'll explain it once again. It is done, please tell. We will move further.
Yes, ma'am, it's done.
Okay. Coming for flash fill. Okay, so flash here I have given with the product. I wanted to extract the first 4 digits. So I am just going to type in 100 I enter. So as you can see, when there is a blinking line, that is your cell is in edit mode, entire ribbon will go deactivated. So I have to press enter where the edit mode will be released. I go back to the first cell and I will press Control E for flash fill. The first 4 digit it was mentioned extracted. Now let me say I wanted the last 4 digits, including the okay. I wanted B100 to be extracted separately. I press enter back to the first cell and press Control E. So I am getting extracted with the last characters. So like this, I wanted to extract the first letter, first of the days. And I have specified product detail in which I wanted the first 3 characters. Say here I wanted M, enter, go back to the first cell, press Control E, I get only this. So now here this numbers are classified. Product detail is classified into first 3 digit, which is a product code, then 6 digit, which is product serial number, and the last 3 characters, that is assembly code. Now this values I wanted to extract separately. Last assembly code should be extracted in small letters. So I wanted you people to try with this. Flash fill.
Ma'am, can you please
So
tell?
you will be sorry.
Can
Me
you
to
please tell
repeat
the
it.
formula once again, ma'am? Yes.
So flash fill means I wanted to extract the information. Say here they have given product code. So product code is classified into 3 levels. So first 4 3 digit and again 4 characters. First 4 digit. So I'll mention 100. Okay. So my cell you can see there is a blinking line. When there is blinking line, that is my cell is in edit mode. I cannot press control. It is a shortcut key for flash fill. I'll do, I'll press enter and go back to the first cell and press Control E. So now Excel, what it will do, it will, as instruction what I gave, it is going to extract the first 4 digit in all the from all the cells. So in this one, I don't want the entire details, but the last 4 digit, including the character. So I'll mention in the first cell what I wanted. I wanted B100. Like that only, rest of the cells 4 digit I wanted. I press enter, go back to the first cell and press control. You can see. So now I have got only digits. So in this one, I wanted the first letters from the weekdays. So I will tell the first one. I have to just tell Excel what I need. I wanted from the left hand side, that weekdays, I wanted to extract only M. I wanted to extract the first character of all the cells. So it is going to extract. The same way I wanted this product detail to be classified and extracted. So I want first 3 digit separately and then product serial number, that is middle 6 digit separately, and assembly code last 3 characters in small letters. I wanted it in. So this one I told you people to try it out. Got
Yes, ma'am.
try it out.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, so let others also, we will continue further.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, what about others?
We're done,
Person
ma'am.
is trying simultaneously. Okay, so then transpose. So transpose wanted to paste your data vertically as well as horizontally. So let me say I'm like this. So when your data is small, you can generally select it like this. But when your data is very huge, you cannot do it. So what I'll do, I'll put my cursor somewhere. I'll press Control A. Control A to select all, and then Control C to copy. Now wherever you wanted, I'm going to select the cell and I'm going to press Control Alt V for paste special, and I will click on transpose and click on OK. My vertical data is pasted horizontally. Now say now I wanted this horizontal data to be pasted vertically. I'll first select the cell, Control A, Control C. Wherever I wanted to paste, I'll select the cell, Control Alt V for paste special, and I will select transpose. On OK. So the vertical horizontal data is pasted vertically. So try this data horizontal and vertical both. So this paste special. Control A to set. Control C to copy. Control Alt plus V for paste special.
Ma'am, can you show once again?
Which one, ma?
The whole process from Control A.
Say now here vertical data is there. Okay, vertical means the data which is placed one below each other. Okay, so I wanted to copy this. So first select, generally when we are selecting, we can select the data. When your data is very huge, I cannot select. So what I will do, I'll put my cursor somewhere on the table and press Control A. my entire table gets selected. Then I'll press Control C to copy. See here, I have mentioned copy, and wherever you wanted to paste, select the space, select the place, and press Control Alt V for paste special. Select transpose. I'll click on OK. So the vertical data will get pasted on. Now horizontal data I wanted to vertically. Again, I'll put my cursor somewhere on the table. Press Control A, Control C to copy. Wherever you wanted to put the cursor, Control Alt V for paste special, and select transpose, and then click on OK. So your horizontal data will get pasted vertically. So here I have mentioned Control A to select all, Control C to copy, Control Alt V for paste special. And then once you get this paste special, select transpose and click on OK.
Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay, next one, sum. So sum is when I wanted to make the total. Okay, so there are ways how we are going to do with the sum. Okay, so one, I'm going to pick the values directly. So let me say equal 80 plus 36 plus 83. I can put the values directly total, or I can use the cell address also. Equal 1 plus 40 plus 60. Like this also I can do it, or I can use the sum function. Okay, so I will tell sum and I will select the range. Like this also I can do it, or I can use the alt equal also. So here also I am using the comma, range, using the plus sign, auto sum. So here I can tell alt equal and I can press enter. Okay, so the same way I wanted you people to try with this. So this one, there are different ways of how you can apply the calculation. So this one I have used using the alt equal. Okay, so here also English, math, Spanish and total marks use the same ways, and I wanted you to try it. I showed it in horizontal. First try it horizontal and then try vertical also.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, so what is
Answers, ma'am.
sorry?
What did you ask, ma'am?
So others, did you people finish? So here I have with the horizontal data. I want people to try with horizontal as well as vertical both.
Both done, ma'am.
Both also it is done.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
about others? Okay. Then coming to subtraction.
Yes, ma'am, done.
So now I wanted to apply with the subtraction calculation. Okay. So there are three ways how we can apply with the subtraction. One, entering the value directly, 40,000, 38,000. Okay. So one is taking the value directly and one is selecting the cell address. So 5,000 minus I get the value. Then I the sum function to perform with the subtraction as well. So I will tell sum, but here you need to specify what it has to perform with. So I wanted the value to be subtracted, the sale price minus the cost price. I'll close the bracket, enter, I get the output. So these are three ways how you can apply with the calculation. So I wanted you people to try with the other things in the same way. One, picking the value, so picking the cell address and using the sum function to perform the subtraction.
Ma'am,
Yes, but done?
no, I'm not. Actually, it's done, but I had a question.
Yes.
And what if there are three, four columns for subtraction?
What if there are
3 to 4 columns for subtraction.
3 to for subtraction? Usually in math, how do you do? If there are 3 to 4 columns, values
I'm
in general
subtracting,
math, how do you subtract?
subtracting each value.
Yes, the same you have to do. Why? Because in subtraction, there is no specific function available. Anything you have to do it manually. So this one, some function it will perform again. That also is a manual work only. So you have to do like first two values you have to subtract the value what you are getting. The third one you have to subtract, go on.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. So what about others?
Done, ma'am.
Okay. So let's move to the multiplication. So multiplication also, one, you can multiply the values directly, 40,000 into 2. I can perform by the picking the cell address into unit sold, or I can even use the product function. Product, select the cells, or I can even use the sum function to perform multiplication. Sum, select the sale price into unit sold. So let me just decrease the value over here. So these are 4 ways how you can perform with your multiplication in Excel.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, let others also try.
Ma'am, you got 33 lakh something, but I'm getting 3 crore 36 lakh in
No, here
product.
I changed the values. If you see, I changed the value for iPad. 3,300 I reduced it, and units sold 310 I have made.
No, not that, ma'am. The third one.
Third one, iPod.
See,
See,
ma'am, I'm getting this.
take the pic and put it in the group.
I've shared. I mean, I've turned on the camera, ma'am.
No, I cannot see, no, because I am sharing it.
Okay, okay.
You take the pic and send it on the WhatsApp.
It's same only, ma'am. But comma is like on the international and national value. So it's like
Hmm.
she's like seeing like incorrect, but it's correct only.
Your value, it must be in custom. See here, there in the number group, it is showing as custom. So you have taken in lakhs. Mine, it is showing in millions. So if you see, there is no changes in the value.
Okay, ma'am.
Only how it is portraying, that one is different. Yours is in lakhs, mine is in millions. That's it.
Ma'am, but if we do want to see it in lakhs, how do we do that?
If you wanted to see it in lakhs, so you
In
have
lakhs.
to go to home, and from here you have to choose custom, and you have to choose this from the number group. See, number group, home tab, go to number group and click on this dialog launcher, the small button. Go to custom and choose the values, this one. Then you will get it in lakhs. Okay, guys. So today we have covered with many different types of concepts of. So we have done with series. We have done with random numbers, square root, power, flash fills, transpose, sum, subtraction, multiplication. So hope you people are able to follow it. Any doubts related to it?
Ma'am, in transpose, I'm not getting